Before installing any Lutron Maestro dimmer or switch, safety is the absolute first priority. Always turn off power at the circuit breaker before beginning any electrical work. Lutron Maestro wiring follows a standard pattern. Connect the green ground wire first, then connect the remaining wires to the appropriate terminals. The blue screw is typically not used in single-pole circuits. Maestro dimmers support three main circuit configurations: single pole for basic on-off control, three-way for control from two locations, and multi-location setups using companion dimmers. Maestro dimmers are compatible with dimmable LEDs, CFLs, incandescent, and halogen bulbs. However, never use them with receptacles or motor-operated appliances, as this can damage both the dimmer and the connected devices. Lutron's LED Plus technology ensures superior dimming performance with a wide range of LED bulbs, preventing flicker and shimmer that can occur with standard dimmers. This advanced technology provides smooth, consistent dimming from full brightness down to very low levels. Recent Maestro dual controls feature an innovative space-saving stacked design that combines two functions in one device. These advanced controls are available as dimmer switch combinations and dimmer timer models. Maestro dimmers offer extensive customization options to match your preferences. You can set preset light levels, configure gradual fade on and off timing, and even disable indicator lights for a cleaner appearance. The low end of the dimming range can be precisely adjusted to optimize LED performance and prevent flickering. This ensures smooth, flicker-free dimming across the entire range with modern LED bulbs. Maestro occupancy and vacancy sensors provide automatic lighting control for energy savings. Occupancy sensors turn lights on automatically when movement is detected, while vacancy sensors require manual activation but turn off automatically when the room is empty. Lutron systems integrate seamlessly into smart homes, offering control through dedicated apps and voice assistants. The Lutron app receives regular updates for improved performance and reliability, providing remote control of lights, shades, and other connected devices. Lutron products deliver significant energy savings nationwide. They save an estimated 10 billion kilowatt hours of electricity annually in the United States, which translates to approximately $1 billion in utility cost savings for consumers.